Hi guys! For today's video I thought I'd show you how to make realistically looking hair like I did for my Wolverines, and if you can show the cake. I think one of the questions that you asked me was the hair, and I did explain it with words, and today I thought it would be best if I show you. And I have a little surprise also. I have another cake over here. I've made another course for my website that I hope we are going to finish in a couple of weeks. Keep your fingers crossed. And I've made another course. It's a chimpanzee cake, and the way I'm gonna bring it, and the way you do the fur, it's the same thing as for the hair for Wolverine. So it's maybe very useful for you to see. Here is my cake. You'll have a full course tutorial on my website for you to learn everything how to make this one. And as you can see, the fur of this cake looks quite like the hair of Wolverine. It's the same process. So I'm going to show you now how to make it. It's very simple. I know it looks complicated, but it's not really. The only thing is you have to spend quite some time to make it. So if you don't mind some hard work and to make it look realistic. You probably know me by now. I don't do my cakes because they are easy or fast. I make them because they look nice. So those things take some time to make. You just take a piece of your fondant, whatever color you like. Put some starch on the table and roll it out like this. If you have air bubbles, just pop them. So you roll it, and once you have approximate thickness, it doesn't matter. This is about 4 millimeters, I believe. Then you just flatten one side. So it's ground zero, completely flat on one side. If it slides off your table, you can also use some oil spray, just to stick it a little bit. Then you use your knife, make sure it's clean and dry, and then you start at on one side. I'm gonna show you two ways to do it. One is like this. You use this shape of your knife. You see, when I put it down, it's cutting here and only marking on this side. So we're gonna use that shape. Like this, and you continue. As you can see, those edges are not that very sharp, and you can just make them more sharp if you like. They look better if they are sharper, like this. And then use a piece of this to put on the body or on the head for the hair. This is one way. The second one, it's gonna take just a little bit more practice so that we get those sharp edges. You want it to be sticked to the table a little bit. And then when you cut the same way, but this hand, you drag that fondant a little bit, like this. I'm dragging. If your knife sticks just put some more oil on the knife. And you do the same thing. Look, it's sticking already. And you see, I dragged all of this fondant. So you get sharp edges. If you feel this piece needs more hairlines, more details, you can do it. And then I take smaller pieces, as small as you like, and just put them on. Let's pretend this is on the head. You start at the lowest point and then you build up like this. And you take another one and you lay it on top of it. And then another one like this. And you can do as small or as big pieces as you like. The smaller they are, more detailed the finished product looks. So this is all. Then you just color it, of course, any color you like, or you can also pre-color your fondant. But for the black hair or fur, I actually prefer for the fondant to be lighter color. I used white and then color it with black and leave some pieces out or color them with lighter color, or just wipe off some of the color from the fondant and you get lighter shades. Because if I used black fondant for the hair or for the fur, it's very hard to color that black fondant in any lighter color. So you just get one big black fur. But in this case, I colored it with black, and then just with the wet cloth, you just wipe some excess off. You get some kind of light reflection look. So I hope you like today's video. It's very quick, but I hope helpful for you. I wish you all the best. Be and stay creative. Send me photos of the things that you are working on, and don't forget, anything is possible. Bye bye.